Exactly how I got it. It's apparently had ice cream dumped in the top, and the guy before me has a note on it. It says that it's been cleaned, that there's more damage, and it has no life. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to power and just see what happens. Power cable here. And nothing. Let's go ahead and get it opened up, and I'll be back. Definitely has signs of ice cream in it. Get it on camera. You can see it up here. It's gross. It's all over the place. Here's the fan. Got ice cream on it still. We're gonna have to clean all this really good.
Hey Siri, set a 20-minute timer.
It looks like I may have found the issue, other than all the ice cream. Get this into focus. This connector on the back side, can't really see it. Oh, maybe right there you can tell. These pins are all showing this connector is damaged. Supposed to be able to press this down and release it, and there you go, you can see the pins. And it is stuck. It's wedged in there. It looks like it's just been completely pulled out. I don't know if that was the last guy, the other repair guy that's had it before me, or if that was done by the customer, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this tore apart a little bit better, a little bit more so we can see better. Okay, so let's kind of look at what we got here. I got it out. This thing said it was cleaned. It does not look clean at all to me. This is gonna take some time to clean, but this is the part one of a couple videos we're gonna do on this Xbox Series X that I'm dubbing the ice cream box, is what we're gonna call it from this day forward. Let's see if we can get a better look at this Nexus connector here. One-handedness is a little difficult, but see if we can get a good angle on it. Okay, so I switched work areas. I'm over here at the soldering mat and my scope to see if we could get a better look at this Nexus connector. It's definitely definitely bad. It's barely hanging on there. It's mangled. Those pins are not supposed to be like that, and this will actually probably just pop off if I keep bending it, but I don't want to cause any board damage. It kind of looks like they just put the ribbon cable back in there and did this move here, just smashed it back down and put it together. I'm not really sure, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing tore down a little bit better, break it all down. It needs a good scrubbing, new thermal paste and everything anyways, and we'll see about getting that Nexus connector replaced. For this video though, we'll probably just get everything tore down, laid out, and then the next one will be a cleaning. We'll go ahead and give everything a nice good scrub and then move on from there.